I know I take forever to make a video and upload it, but I am back and I'm so happy to be back because I finally got lighting and I'm feeling it. Today I'm gonna make like the easiest tutorial. It's my first time doing it, but we're gonna try it together. It's going to be Vanellope Von Schweetz. She's from Wreck-It Ralph, but I figured it's easy for me because I have the hair and the eyeballs for it. So if you got the hair and the eyeballs for it, this is great for you. Okay, so Vanellope is a very character. She's so cute. That girl's just poppin'. I don't care. Disney, that girl's poppin'. Pinkest blush you have. You need a lot of pink blush because Vanellope is very pink. She's very pink. So what I'm doing is I'm getting a blush brush. Say that 10 times fast. A blush brush. And I'm just gonna pound on the blush. What blush am I using? You may ask, you may not ask. Is the Too Faced Christmas palette. Yes, it is from 3 years ago, and yes, it's very much expired, but okay, so we're going to get into it, and we're gonna start off. So her cheeks are so pink. So you're really gonna pound on that pink blush right on the cheekbone area where hers will be. Okay, so now that your cheeks are super red and super rosy, Vanellope has some serious brows. She has black eyebrows, and them things are very bad. And those eyebrows are so black. So I'm gonna go in with an eyebrow brush with the blackest one I have. And they're very boxy eyebrows. So I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna outline the bottom of it at first. So they should look like this. And then they're still pretty straight. They're still pretty black. I mean, this girl has got brows for days. I am looking so serious. Okay, so now that your eyebrows are done and your cheeks and you look ridiculous, we're going to move on to the eyeballs. So I am using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use a kind of dark color, but it's not. It's dark on me because I'm so white, but it's like a tannish nude dark color that would look good on somebody who has skin tone. It's gonna be this one right here. And I'm just gonna put it on my eyelid, like right in the crease. Nose is a little button nose. It's not like a full person nose where it's like this. So I'm just gonna take my face puncher, and I'm just gonna start punching my face right on the nose. I'm using the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette. Super awesome. As you can tell, it's on me. Hello. We're using this pink. It is called Gossip. I'm going to take a beauty blender that I don't use for, I don't know why, I just don't use it. Some at the tip of it, and I'm gonna give myself a cute little nose. Like, almost like a sick look. Like a little Rudolph, but like still cute type deal here. So now I'm just gonna take this, and I'm just gonna go over that pink that we did just to really bring out the pink that we did earlier, because it just looks so much more theatrical when you do more. It's called being extra, and if you're not extra, get off my channel. Extras only. So now that you're done with that, Vanellope has the smallest lips ever. That girl doesn't even have lips. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take my foundation blender, and I'm gonna try to get rid of my top lip as much as I can. Okay, so now that you've got your top lip kind of gone and everything, you're just gonna take a pink. Her lip is pretty pink, like it's honestly really pink. And I'm just gonna put it here. And in the corners, I'm just gonna bring it out just a little. So Vanellope's eyes are so large and in charge. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a little bit of liner on. A little bit. Girl, that ain't a little bit. Vanellope, she has very flary eyelashes, so I'm just going to use a magnetic eyelash. And you could use like normal glued on eyelashes, but I'm just going to prefer to use these today. They're easier.
Wow. She's a beauty queen.
I feel like I want to be a little bit extra, so I'm gonna add a little bit of freckles. Don't know why, but I just want to. So now we're gonna move on to the hair. Vanellope's hair is in a ponytail. That's it. It's literally, I'll show you. It's the cutest little hairstyle. So Vanellope does have a pink ribbon in her hair. It's almost like a candy cane. No, it's a Twizzler, but I don't really have Twizzlers. So pink ribbon it is. I'm going ahead and I'm just gonna wrap it around my hair quite a few times because hers is so short, just because it is a Twizzler. And you want this to look as real as can be. So, okay. Wrapping still, we're still wrapping. All right, so now, right at the base, just go ahead and just do one of these, like a quick little, that's it, boom. Okay, so Vanellope does have little candies for her hair, but since I don't eat candy, we're not putting candies in my hair. But you could always go to the store and you could always get like little candy stickers and just place them in your hair with like a bobby pin or something. But if not, this is the final look. The Vanellope from Wreck-It Ralph. There you go. Well, this was so much fun. Okay, make sure that you don't unsubscribe to me because I'm so cool.